Come install our Turbo 200 and TES5 Duo. All AMRAC capacitors are intended to be installed by a licensed contractor only. To start, write the date of installation on the capacitor for warranty claims and check the green label to see the exact microfarad rating. You can also scan the QR code on the Turbo 200 can to locate the wiring instructions. To get started, select the microfarad range needed for installation and then put your jumper wires on the correct terminals. Next, you're going to connect your common to the center black terminal on the Turbo 200. Next, hook to the highest Ohm value needed. And lastly, take the fan wire and connect it to the 6 white microfarad terminal. Now mount the Turbo 200 in place with our universal capacitor mount and cut off any excess. Moving along to installing our TES5 hard start. Our TES5 features an internal relay, which is good for humid climates. Our hard starts also feature the CPT Fuse Wire, which cuts off the motor start from the compressor within 3 seconds of a relay failure. To start, take the jumper wires included to create the correct tonnage needed for installation. Now we're going to be connecting the CPT Fuse Wire to the CPT terminal on the Turbo 200 to ensure that double protection for your compressor. Secure the TES5 hard start in with the universal capacitor mount right next to the Turbo 200 mounted upright, and then you can also tie the wires together for a clean install. Cut off any excess and then you're all good to go. Be sure to install this Duo on your next job to ensure customer satisfaction and guarantee compressor protection. The Turbo 200 and TES5 is patent protected.